Hello guys and dolls, welcome back. We are at Formnext 2025. This is our 4th year here at the largest 3D printing and additive manufacturing show in Europe. We've got lots of exciting stuff coming up. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Okay, welcome back guys and dolls. We are over at Zhonghen and I am talking with you about a desktop SLS machine. So for those who aren't aware, SLS is a laser sintering laser technology that allows you to print with 0 supports, and up until now it's been an industrial grade only level machine. SLS machines are normally prohibitively expensive. They are normally in the tens of thousands, and they're also normally giant. They come with a huge ecosystem of powder reclamation and post-processing and everything else. But you guys are putting together an incredible package for Kickstarter. Talk to me a little bit about this machine and what it can do.
And for this printer, the printing size is 115 plus 115 plus 180. And this one is compact with the desktop design. And this printer is just 600 plus 622, around 800. Yes, it's very...
So normally SLS machines are giant. There are larger SLS machines that you guys have done before that obviously are much bigger. This, in theory, actually fits on a domestic, on a domestic kitchen counter. It's massive. It's throwing out some heat because obviously it's currently doing some prints at the moment. We've got some examples of some of the stuff that you've done. So materials you can do are PA11, PA12,
yes,
and TPU.
TPU as well.
Yeah. So this prints with absolutely no support. So anyone who isn't familiar with SLS, there is a cartridge that sits inside here that is full of powder. There is brush powder that goes over each layer. A laser then goes over, burns it, but the powder stays for the whole layer. So once you're done, you remove the whole cartridge. It goes into a reclamation station, which is also included in this package, which enables you to remove all of the excess material, remove all of the powder, and then you're left with a basically almost finished print. Then you go to post-processing. So post-processing for these is normally sandblasting, or you can also use a vapor smoothing for these.
Yes.
Sandblasting for these, you can get domestic airbrushes that will do the sandblasting that you need to be able to get to a normal surface finish, or you can use a vapor bath to be able to get them to a really smooth, almost injection molded level of finish on these. Now, what makes this printer different to a lot of SLS printers in the market is the price point that you've gone with for Kickstarter. So we'll talk about the MSRP in a minute, but the initial early bird offer for both the printer and the powder reclamation and post-processing unit is $6,990 US.
Yes.
Now, this will have gone live by the time that we actually publish the video, but that is very, very low on the price side. That's aggressively priced. And even once we get, it's limited to 30 sets to be clear, but then even once we get to early bird special where there's 500 sets, $8,388.
It's also...
Is that shipped, or is shipping on top of that as well? This is a big machine, right? It's going on a pallet. Yeah. Is that the shipped price to end users? So shipping is on top of that?
Yes.
Okay, fine. That's fine. So shipping will vary depending on where obviously you're buying from and everything else and logistics. Is this machine ready to go, or is this a machine that's in development right now?
It's ready to go right now. In the past of a year, we do a lot of job for this printer.
Yeah.
And the software has been upgraded for several times, and currently now is ready to go right now.
So a lot of Kickstarter campaigns, you're funding a prototype effectively, and you're normally funding a level of supply chain. But you're saying that this is done, ready, it's good to go. Kickstarter's just a platform you're using to launch, and then you're going to be able to ship these out what's the timeline for shipping these? When are you going to start shipping?
For next year or March, before that time.
So Q1, ultimately.
Yes.
So,
yes.
so people will be receiving their machines early next year. I mean, we'll talk through, and I'm going to have to refer to the cheat sheet, unfortunately. So we're talking a 10-watt laser on here, 450 watt nanometer diode. One of the impressive things in this as well is the speed at which it prints. The full build volume in under 8 hours.
That's 8 hours.
In 8 hours with a print accuracy of 0.2 and the layer height is 150 microns. So it's resin. We're talking about resin layers at this point, like the equivalent layers that you would get in resin printing, but in nylon and in TPU. 200 £200 a litre for 5 litres of the nylon powder. Again, a really aggressive price for the materials. One of the things with SLS printing is the nylon powder that you have to use is generally very expensive. $200 sounds like a lot, but bear in mind that you can print the full build volume of this at any one time, and any powder that you don't use gets reclaimed and recycled and put into the next print so that you can then do that again.
Yes.
You've also got an early bird offer on for the additional build chambers. So you take this build chamber out, you start post-processing, you can put the second build chamber straight in, carry on printing whilst you're doing your post-processing and getting everything ready. So, I mean, this is a really aggressively priced machine. How do you feel it stacks up against any competitors in the space at the moment? Have you got any competitors at this size and build volume, or are you the first ones to do desktop grade, sort of desktop printing like this?
Yeah, in fact, we are the earliest one who doing the SLS desktop SLS.
Okay.
Yes.
Brilliant. Well, it's been brilliant talking to you. Thank you very much for the time. Thanks for showing us the machine.
Okay.
Catch you on the next video.